How to get FedEx proof of delivery. First of all, go ahead and launch the official FedEx mobile application on your device. Now from here, all you have to do is once you're here in this tracking page, select that specific order and then proceed to enter your details, or simply tap on the search button and proceed to type in the 12-digit tracking number on the FedEx tracking page. From here, if the package has been delivered, click on the Obtain Proof of Delivery button to view and print the delivery details. Or what you can also do is simply tap on the three horizontal lines on the top left of your screen. From here, tap on the Support option and tap on Contact Us. Now here you'll be provided with the customer service number. Tap on the number and then proceed to call the number. From here, you can get connected with the official FedEx customer support team and ask for any proof of delivery regarding your exact shipment. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any question or queries, please do comment down below, and thank you again for watching.